As the iPhone camera continues to improve, it also increases the size of any photo that's taken from your iPhone camera. However, there's a built-in way to be able to reduce that iPhone file size of any photo, whether it's just one photo or a bunch of photos, if you're trying to email them or send them and you just want them to be smaller or take up less space on your phone. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's open up the Photos app on your iPhone. And I'm going to use, let's say, this photo as an example. So select the photo or multiple photos if you wanted to. Tap on the Share button at the bottom left. Scroll down. Tap on Save to Files midway down. This will pop up with where you wanted to save it. Tap on the back arrow and back again. Make sure you're selecting on my iPhone under Locations. And then you can choose the Downloads folder or whatever folder you want. But in my case, I'm going to choose Downloads and then tap Save. Okay, so now I've saved that photo to the Files app. Let's access it by taking your finger and swiping down and typing in Files. And then tapping on the Files app here. You might already be in there, but if you don't see it, tap on Browse at the bottom right. You can tap a couple times. Again, under Locations, tap on my iPhone. And then wherever you put it, again, in my case, the Downloads folder. So I'm going to tap on Downloads. So here is that image. You can see 2.7 megabytes, but let's reduce the size of it. To do that, I'm going to press and hold on the image. And here you can see a menu pops up. Scroll down, tap on Quick Actions at the bottom, and then tap on Convert Image at the bottom. You can see file format, JPEG, PNG, or HEIF if you just wanted to change the file format. But to reduce the size, tap on JPEG, and you can choose whether you want it to be a small image, medium, large, or original won't reduce the size. If I tap on small, for instance, you can see it creates another version of that. And the original photo is 2.7 megabytes. And the new photo that's reduced in size is 24 kilobytes. And I'll show you what these look like. So I'll open this. This is the full resolution one. And then this is the smaller one. It does reduce the quality of it somewhat, so you can just decide whether you want to convert it into a smaller or reduce the image size to small and essentially reduce the quality, or you can choose medium or large depending on how much you want to reduce that image size. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.